Hello, I'm Dr. Jennifer Kane with Dynamic Health Chiropractic. In the 16 years that I've been helping patients to heal with acupuncture, the number one question I have been asked is, does acupuncture hurt? And certainly, as we've seen images of people sitting down or laying down with needles sticking out of them looking like a pincushion, it's hard to imagine that it could be relaxing and healing. Amazingly, it is. And now, what we're accustomed to with needles is that they're big enough to either give us a shot or take our blood. Acupuncture affects the energy, the chi in our body, and it doesn't require any substance to physically pass. So these needles are hair thin and tiny. I'm going to go ahead and put one in my hand. I'm not an actress, so if this hurt, you would see me flinch or cry out. But as you can see, almost no response or reaction at all. Now, when I put that needle in, there's lots of different things I can do. I didn't even feel that, and I could stop at that point and still impact the point and help with things like headaches and sinus problems and immunity and any number of conditions. But I can also take that needle and move it up and down. I can flick it so that you get some more energy going into the body. I can twist it one way or another. As I do that, I get more of a sensation that can linger after I stop, and then it will go away until I do some type of manipulation again. Some schools of thought with acupuncture are that the needle has to create a sensation in order for it to work. I feel very lucky that I was taught that wasn't necessary, and so I got great results without causing discomfort and pain. So what do my patients experience when I do acupuncture? There's a lot of different sensations, and it will vary from person to person, from visit to visit, and even from acupuncture point to acupuncture point. So the most common is that they would experience like a little bit of a deep, dull ache that will go away unless I do something with the needle. Sometimes it'll be a little bit sharp, like a sting, and that usually goes away really fast. Sometimes there's no sensation at all. Sometimes there is a warming sensation or a cooling sensation, even a tingling sensation. But for the most part, people who have acupuncture will sit or lay comfortably, just feeling very relaxed and at ease. So the acupuncture treatment itself is usually wonderful feeling, and then afterwards, the results are pretty amazing. Let me just show you again what these needles look like. The ones that I use are so thin that they are inserted with a guide tube. So sometimes I put that guide tube against a spot and people have said, ow. And obviously that's the psychological component of having a needle. But then I put it through the guide tube, and I'm going to hold this up closer against the red of my jacket. This is the head of it, but the needle itself is hard to see. Oh, there, you're catching the light. So it is so thin that it bends, and that's why we can make acupuncture pain-free. Acupuncture can help with so many different conditions. If you've been wondering about it and have questions about whether this could help you as you heal, please give me a call. My number is 636-207-6600, and we can talk about how I can help you to heal with acupuncture. Thank you.